What's up guys, I'm at my gym today. You guys have been requesting home workout for fat loss, for fitness. So today here you are. I'm joining my brother here. Thank you for joining me.
Yeah.
But minding you won't get body like this if you do only home workout. You need to come to gym.
Yeah,
and right, and you just can't achieve in 1 month to 1 year also. You can't achieve. You just need time, patience, some discipline.
You need time, dedication, patience. Also like very strict diet, everything.
Yeah, right. So this is only for those guys who want to stay fit, for those who want to keep less body fat.
Don't have enough time to
right.
make it to the gym.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, you can like follow this.
Yeah.
routine.
So today we'll be showing you some basic workouts.
Yeah, like free body workouts.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
Not using any of the gym equipment or like weights.
Yeah. So we'll just start. Please watch till the end. We are gonna start with some basic warm-ups. That is jumping jack.
It's always like better to like start with a warm up so that you don't injure your muscles or
so that blood flow is there, less injury.
Yeah,
so
that's the main thing. Like. Like you can do high knees.
Okay, right.
That's also like very good to like speed up your blood flow.
Yeah, you start. Yeah.
Make sure your knees are like
Make sure you keep this.
try to reach your hands for your wrists.
Yeah.
Maybe your shoulders. Okay, for your shoulders, like you can
Let's do this.
do this.
Let's start with some basic push-ups.
Okay, like I'll like teach you the proper angle, like hand placements and all. Okay, again like from a closer view. Like make sure your hands are like little wider than your shoulders. Your fingers facing forward. And like those who have like problem like the pain in your wrist, like you can like do a small variation. Like you can kind of like lock your fingers like this. That will give like more pressure on your forearms. So you'll be like lifting your forearms also, like you don't like strain your wrist too much. Okay, so keep your body straight, elbows not too wide and elbows not too close, 45 degree. Go down, 1, 2, slow and controlled motions, 3, 4. Also make sure you don't like lock your elbows like this. I forgot that. Don't lock your elbows, like stop here. 5, full stretch, contract. Okay.
Now I'm going to show you the basic push-ups. First, you need a bench and you need a firm grip so that it doesn't move this way like this, so that it might fall down and it might break your face. So the first step is keep your hands like this, shoulder wide apart, and your face in the front, not side, not down, front. So you go down slowly, up, 1, 2, 3. So and one more thing I need to tell, when you go down, breathe in. When you go up, breathe out. That's it.
So when you're like doing the squats, like make sure your legs are like the shoulder width apart, or you can go a little wider than your shoulders. Okay. Also, make sure like when you're going down, you don't bring your knees to the front.
You just need to make parallel with this ground when you straight, alright? Straight. You should be straight. And your back should be straight, not bending, not like this, but straight, the way how he's keeping. Alright, this is the proper way. For those who can't do the basic squatting, so what you can do is find something like this, a stair pole or like your door, anything at home which is available. So you hold here to keep the balance going. Go like this, the same way how we teach you. Down, up, squeeze your glutes, down, up, down, up. Make sure you, again I'm repeating, make sure your back is straight. So what this thing does is like you keep the balance so that you don't go around like this. It keeps you straight.
So another one common mistake like what I notice when I'm training clients is like they place their legs like too far from the like pole. They always like they kind of like lean too much to the back, or like they'll be like doing the same mistake. Like they'll take their knees to the down and the heels will go up. Always make sure your heels and your toes are like your feet is like firmly on the ground when you're doing squats. Make sure your legs are like almost close to the pole. Get a grip just for support. Like don't use your hands to like pull yourself up. Just for support, you are holding the pole. You see your legs, go down, up. Tilt on your legs, go down, up. Slowly, nice and easy. 3, up. So like basic output for legs is squat, lunges.
Yeah, it will work your hamstrings, it will work your quads, it will work your glutes. So this is the method.
So like we'll teach you what basic lunges are. So this is the technique. Like you can keep your hands.
Yeah.
Like
In order to keep the balance, if you do like this, you go fly away. So you keep the balance by keeping your hands in your hip.
Yeah. Also like back straight.
Yeah, back straight.
Your like heel up.
The way how I'm keeping.
Like one leg to the back, your heel up, and you go on the ground. Leg go straight down. Down, nice and easy. Up. 3, like 10 counts.
Everything what you need to do is at least 3-4 sets of 12 to 15 reps of everything.
Yeah, like make sure you get enough lifts, like between sets, like 30 seconds to 1 minute is
Yeah,
like,
you can even sip like a little bit of water,
didn't work.
but don't overdrink it.
You do it for both legs also.
Next exercise is crunches.
So this is one of the basic workouts for your like abs. So also like for your core. So for doing crunches, like lie flat on the floor, like facing upwards. Like flat on the floor.
Yeah.
Now bend your knees. Like make sure your feet are like firmly on the floor.
Yeah, not like this.
Yeah. So like the most common mistake what people do when doing crunches is like they keep their hands behind, and when you keep your hands behind your head, you have this tendency to like push your neck forward
with the hands.
So the basic crunches like he'll show you now, and I will like explain you the common mistakes made after that. Okay. Nice and easy start.
You need to go crazy till there.
Yeah, crazy. Like you just need to get a like full contraction on your abs.
You need to feel the pain.
Yeah. Full contraction. That's it. Relax.
Don't pull like this. Don't pull like this.
Yeah. Nice and easy. Like use your abs, go down, and slowly go up. 3. 4. It's not that you have to like place your hands only behind your head. Like you can like place
you
on
can
your
even do
chest.
this.
Yeah, you can.
Now my abs are burning.
Another common like technique to like avoid your like neck strain is like fix a point on the ceiling, and when you're doing crunches, always like keep on watching that point. Can you like show that once?
Yeah, sir.
Ready? Fix a point on the ceiling. Like your hands on your chest or like your ears, like whichever is comfortable. Yeah. Keep watching that point. Don't like strain your neck. 3. Nice and easy. Like feel down your abs. Full contract. And relax.
We have shown you the way to do crunches and all everything. But the only thing, if you want these abs like this, that is not the only thing. 80% should come from the nutrition, right, bro?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, you need
your
to
diet.
eat, yeah.
If you need abs, your diet, you need to fix your diet.
That is the main
because
thing.
no matter how many crunches you
Yeah,
do,
right.
or how many leg raises, or how long you do your planks, it doesn't count. If you need your abs visible, like you need to get rid of the fat.
You need to
and
get
only
out of
diet.
body fat.
Yeah. Only your diet can do that.
Yeah. Exercise we are going to be showing is the pull-ups. Pull-up is, as you know, like it's very important strength exercise. You'll get a lot of strength. You'll have a proper V. Yes, every guys want
to like wind up that proper V back.
Yeah.
That shape. Also, you have like different variations for your pull-ups also. Like one is the like reverse grip, close grip, and one is your like wide grip. That will like mainly focus on your
so
like
you
lats,
do like this.
muscles.
Mostly it will go to biceps only.
Biceps. Also, your like upper like for thickness.
So let's show that.
Full firm grip.
Yeah.
Like, activate your lat muscles.
See the way how he is going. All the way up, all the way down. It's not like halfway. So the way, the more how he pull down, the more that bicep you're gonna get.
Yeah, some people will be like doing like this now.
Yeah,
like
yeah,
that's not like proper pull-ups. Like full, use your back, pull up, slowly go.
If you can do just one, just do that one in proper form.
Yeah,
It's not
that's
like
more important. It's not
yeah.
like use your like shoulders or like other
Yeah,
muscles.
it's not like you need to do 10, 20, 30. It's not like that. If you can do one, just do one properly. If you just do can 5, then do 5 properly.
And for those who can't do the like basic, like not even a single pull up,
Yeah.
like we'll teach you like
Yeah.
for that also.
Yeah. If you don't have this pull-up machine at home, you can just find
Find a, like
anything at
normal
home.
straight bar, like just like strong enough to hold your weight.
Yeah.
Make sure it doesn't break off.
Sometimes,
Yeah.
even breaks off, it will fall down.
Yeah.
Then again, you need in Amazon also online you can get all those pull-up bars. I think you can fix it at your home, or unless if you don't want to buy, you can find something, some furniture, some bricks, anything.
Oh,
which you
even
can-
like slab like this, like most people have like that concrete slabs. The
yeah, for
like,
keeping those
luggage
household
and all.
items and all. Yeah.
Yeah, you can even use that. So, and for those who can't do a single pull up, like we'll show you what to do. With your legs on the floor, it's fine. Just get a grip, like jump, slowly down. Jump, squeeze your legs, slowly down. And if you can't reach, like find a stepper or like find a like solid stool or like a
any
chair.
chairs,
That is it for.
yeah.
Like stand on there. Okay, bar. Jump. Tap.
And one advice I have for you is like, just if you can't do pull up, just hang like this. Just hang like this. One day you'll be able to, because like you'll find that grip, your strength will increase.
Yeah, it's not that like only like when you're going up,
Yeah.
like you're working your muscles. Like
Yeah.
even the negative part that works only like muscles like
Yeah.
more than the other like upper part.
And I have a story of my own. Like when I was first started doing push-ups some 6 years ago, like I can do like maximum just 3 push-ups.
No, when I started, I wasn't even able to do like even one push-up.
That's what like the progress is
Even
with
like I was a
time.
beginner once.
Yeah. It's
But
not
like-
like he achieved this body at once.
No, not in a single day. Like
Yeah,
I've been like
right.
working out for years.
Yes,
like,
eating
focus
right.
on my diet. Yeah.
It is the most important thing. You need to have patience.
Dedication. Like it's not that like you get things in like 1 or 2 days or like not even months. It takes time. Like good things always like takes time.
Rome was not built in a day.
Yeah.
That problem is also there.
Yeah.
So that's it, guys, for today.
Thanks for watching the video.
Yeah,
Like
thanks.
these are the basic like
Yeah.
compound workouts that you can like do at home.
So if you have any
So,
questions,
any
just leave
equipments.
in the comments below.
Definitely. Also, if you like the video, please do like and subscribe to this channel.
Yeah. And once again, thank you so much, bro,
Yeah.
for joining me.
It's my pleasure.
Yeah. Again, bye bye.